In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription service to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean professional subscription page ready to accept recurring signups, and you'll understand the key settings that make it work smoothly. From your Squarespace dashboard, head to the website section on the left and open Pages. This is where all your site's navigation and page structure live, so it's the perfect place to add your subscription experience in a way that feels natural for your visitors. Next, click the plus icon to add a new page. A panel will open with page types. Scroll to the Content and Membership section and choose the subscription page that best fits your needs. Squarespace provides templates designed for recurring offerings, whether you're delivering exclusive content, community access, or ongoing services. Picking a template here gives you the right building blocks from the start. Once the page is added, take a moment to customize it. Update the headline so it clearly states the value of your subscription, adjust images to match your brand, and refine the text to explain exactly what members receive. Keeping your benefits clear and concise helps visitors make a quick, confident decision. If your brand has a specific tone or style, reflect it here so the subscription page feels consistent with the rest of your site. When your page looks the way you want, click into it to set up how people will pay and what they get. Look for the option that says Add a Pricing Plan. This is where you define how your subscription behaves and what it includes. Creating a clear plan helps avoid confusion and reduces cancellations later. Change the pricing type to subscription. Then, fill in the essential details, the plan name, the price, and the billing interval, such as monthly or annually. Add a descriptive summary that highlights key features so potential subscribers know exactly what they're getting. If you offer multiple tiers, make the differences obvious by emphasizing benefits rather than just price. Use straightforward language, avoid jargon, and make sure your descriptions match what's on the page. Before you move on, double-check the currency, make sure any trial or introductory pricing is accurately set, and confirm the plan name is something your audience will immediately recognize. Clear, transparent information builds trust and reduces support questions later. That's all you need to add a subscription service to your Squarespace website. With your page created, customized, and your pricing plan set to subscription, you're ready to welcome new members with a professional, easy-to-understand experience.